Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of financial independence. Ever wondered just how much you need to invest to live solely off dividends? Join us as we crunch the numbers, explore diverse strategies, and uncover the path to securing your financial freedom. Let's break it down together. Part 1. The Math. Let's delve to the math behind determining the amount you need to invest to live off dividends. Suppose you aim for an annual income of $40,000 through dividends. The key factor here is the dividend yield, which varies depending on your investments. For instance, consider Apple stock, which currently pays 92 cents per share annually. If you own a share priced at around $150, your dividend yield is 0.61%. This percentage represents the passive income you receive for every $100 invested in the stock. To reach $40,000 from Apple alone, you need an enormous investment. However, many dividend-paying companies offer higher yields than Apple. For instance, among the dividend aristocrats, the average yield ranges between 1% to 4%. Using a diversified portfolio with an average yield of 2% to 4%, you'd require an investment between $1 million and $2 million to generate $40,000 annually. Investing solely in high-yield stocks may seem tempting, but it can hinder a company's growth, as it often means they're not reinvesting profits. So it's essential to strike a balance when building a dividend-focused portfolio. Part 2. The harsh truth. Now, let's delve into the harsh truth of dividend investing that often goes unmentioned on YouTube. Except for a few insightful voices like Larry Chung, a CFA who's shared valuable insights on this topic, it's essential to consider this reality. When you examine financial data in the United States, you'll find that the median and average net worth by age group are relatively modest. For those under 35, the average net worth is around $76,300 with a median of $13,900. Even in the 35 to 44 age range, the average is $436,000, and it rises to $833,000 for those in their mid-40s and 50s. But here's the catch. The average net worth figure includes assets like your home, car, and other investments, not just investable assets. So even if you were to invest the entire $833,000 into a 4% dividend portfolio, generating roughly $33,000 annually, it would fall short of the $40,000 passive income goal. This discrepancy highlights the need for a strategic approach to generate enough income from your investments. Well, before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Part number 3. A better strategy, especially if you're young. Now, part 3 is a vital section, especially relevant for our younger audience. According to my YouTube analytics, many of you are under 34 years old. For the younger generation, a distinct investment strategy often outperforms a sole focus on dividend portfolios. Here are 3 compelling reasons why. Number 1. Risk advantage. Youth allows for more risk. For instance, investing $1,000 in a 5% dividend portfolio yields only $50 a year, impacting the portfolio minimally. Prioritizing rapid capital growth makes more sense. Number 2. Capital growth. Any youth aim for maximum capital gains. Starting early capitalizes on compounding and ability to endure market fluctuations. Number 3. Diversification. As you build your portfolio, diversify across asset types while growing your overall investment size. Adapt your strategy as you age, focusing on dividends for stability later. Stay tuned for part 4 for further insights. Customize your approach to your unique circumstances and objectives, as investing is a highly personalized journey. Now let's have part 4. Tax consideration. If your goal is to live off dividend income, this section demands your attention. Imagine your portfolio reaches $1 million, generating around 4% in dividends, providing you with a magic annual income of $40,000. The IRS tax code has some noteworthy provisions. First, earnings under $40,400 are taxed at 0%. Second, earnings from $40,401 to $445,850 are taxed at 15%. Third, earnings above $445,850 face a 20% tax rate. Dividends can fall under either ordinary income or qualified dividends, often qualifying for the better capital gains tax rates mentioned earlier, provided you hold the dividend-paying stock for a specific duration. For tax-efficient investing, consider a Roth IRA, where earnings and profits grow and get withdrawn tax-free during retirement. Note that the contribution limits $6,000 or $7,000 annually depending on age, and the requirement to wait until 59 days and a half for penalty-free withdrawals, incentivizing retirement savings. If you're tax-conscious, explore Roth IRA options for your portfolio. The essential formula to remember. Now here's a key formula to take away. Dividend income divided by dividend yield percentage. Suppose you aim for $75,000 in yearly passive income. Divide this by your target dividend yield percentage. For instance, if your goal is a 5% yield, the calculation is $75,000 divided by 0.05, resulting in the need for a $1.5 million investment to generate that $75,000 in passive income. This formula simplifies how much you need to invest to achieve your desired annual goal. In conclusion, understanding the financial threshold required to live off dividends is essential for achieving financial independence. By considering factors like expenses, investment strategy, risk tolerance, and tax implications, you can tailor your approach to reach your income goals. Remember that personal circumstances vary, so it's crucial to customize your investment plan and adopt it as you progress on your financial journey. Ultimately, the path to living off dividends begins with careful planning, diligent investing, and a clear vision of your financial objectives. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.